today we're here with Lindsay and her daughter Brendan, who's going to be trying the hair ties. They've actually never tried a pro hair tie before, and she's got super curly hair, so she was nice enough to let you guys kind of see how it works. So we're going to go ahead and put it in her hair. So just put it in her hair just like a normal hair tie.
Okay.
So just go ahead and wrap it twice. So she's going to put it in her hair just like a normal hair tie. We always just want to wrap it twice. So what we'll do here is, can you turn a little bit so we can see? Awesome. So her hair is actually a little bit quicker anyway, so we don't actually need to size it at all. It's actually a pretty good hold already. How does it feel in your hair? Does it curve?
Feels like a normal ponytail.
Normal ponytail. Awesome. So it's not, it's not pulling or anything? Okay, awesome. And then when you want to take it out as opposed to ripping it out, you're just going to find this clasp. So
Okay.
it's just, and then just lift it up at an angle and just let it fall out. So just, yep, there you go.
I like it.
Good job.
That was easy, huh?
It doesn't hurt at all.
No, it doesn't, right? Do you guys typically have a problem getting your hair ties out?
Oh,
normally?
for sure. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. What do you think? Would you recommend it for people with curly hair to try it out?
Absolutely.
Yeah? Okay.
We love it.
Cool. All right.
You want to get some?